I'll show you to make banana chocolate muffins. Without further ado, I'll show you how to make it. First, you preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Spray a 12-count muffin pan with nonstick spray or line with muffin liners. Then you set it aside. Here is the recipe. The recipe and the ingredients can be downloaded from the PDF file in the description below. So for the ingredients, you'll need half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, a third cup of sugar, 3 mashed bananas, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 4th teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. So the next step is to, in a small bowl, add the chocolate chips and 3 tablespoons of flour and mix until all the chocolate chips are coated with the flour, and then you set it aside. The reason why is because when you mix it with the batter, it won't sink to the bottom. So the next step is, in a large bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas. We need ripe bananas for baking because it gives the muffins moist and sweetness. It's perfect for baking, but not for eating. So you need to mash the bananas with a fork, then you mash it until it turns into a mushy liquid. Next step is to add vegetable oil, eggs, sugar, mashed bananas, and vanilla extract to the bowl containing mashed bananas. Mix well. In a separate large mixing bowl, add the flour and baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Mix well. The next step is pour the wet ingredients over the dry ingredients and whisk until all combine. Add in the chocolate chips. Mix well. Using a large ice cream scoop, divide the batter into your muffin pan. Bake for about 17 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow the muffins to cool for 5 minutes in the muffin pan, then transfer to a wire rack to continue cooling. This is the end result after 18 minutes of baking. So I'll actually try one myself. Thanks you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.